Question we say I wan ask you say why e be say this life no dey fair? Why e be say most times good things no dey reach people hand, like good things no dey reach good people hand? Unto say for instance, you dey see situation whereby maybe parents manage try all their possible best to take train their children for school, suffer go farm, do market, do different hard job just to make am say their children go fit learn work, or their children go fit go graduate for university. Unto say they believe say once their children fit graduate, so they will get work, or once be say their children fit finish work, they go get better work, or money go begin dey reach their hand, or fit take comot dem comot for suffer. But e come be say at the end of the day, out of all the suffer wey we see the parents don suffer for other children, so based on the way we say the Nigerian society be, or the situation whereby the children find themselves, e go come be like maybe those children and they no come fit get to take assist or to take give their parents just the way we say they really take want am. And it can be sometimes situation still dey whereby good person, for example, you wey say be man, your wife run leave you, carry your children run comot, say na another bobo na you see for outside wey say she love, say she no love you anymore, and you know say with you, all your heart, all your soul, everything we see you get, you use am say invest for that marriage, you try your possible best, whether money dey or money not dey, you try maybe say you take give the wife, but the wife no understand. You can still be some situation dey whereby the woman on her own too go, the man na go run leave the woman, go run leave pikin or leave children for the woman and go begin dey live life. So tell yourself, you always be the good person, you the reason am say come and go hold that person just now, come and go hold that person just now, you know, like maybe bad thing go happen to the person just now, but you come see say at the end of the day you dey live your life bitter, but that other person go dey live in life and say maybe say e no get the time we say 12 now we fit take join hand, as in fit take join head together sef. Dey see situation whereby you see maybe some boy dey now we say really like this girl, money not dey at the first place, you understand, begin like maybe this girl go university or maybe this girl go learn work, but you can't say at the end of the day we say don't suffer, give this girl money make it take graduate for university, or suffer sponsor this girl finish make it take learn work, you come begin see say the girl learn the work and at the end of the day the girl no wan marry am again. So why be say this life dey unfair to people who see their heart dey pure, who see their heart dey good? Then when they see situation whereby you as an individual, you use all your clean heart to follow this friend who see you get, you dey go out of your way to take help the person, like anytime when the person dey in need, now you be the first person, as in like you go stand for the person as if say tomorrow no dey. But at the end of the day you consider that your friend will say you give like every of your thing to, like when we say you give your time to, when we say you give your energy to, you consider that your friend go backstab you for back. Like e no get who be say no go dey painful to am, but the question be say why be say this life say things no dey fair, like why be say this life no dey fair on its own? But before I go start, may I introduce myself first. My name is Sonia, aka GistNigeFood. For this channel, we dey talk about everything and anything gistable. Sometimes, most especially trendy matter for social media. So we'll go straight to the issue. This life on its own not really dey fair. You know why I thought it not really dey fair? Because we could reason the way this world be generally. I like you now, if you dey watch me now, possibility dey say you get roof over your head. Possibility dey say you don't even eat evening food, or you don't eat morning food or afternoon food anytime you say watch this my video. So the thing is say some people see dey only see they see dey for this world whereby they don't get roof over their head, they don't get water to even drink, they don't even get internet safe to even take watch this video. Only say you dey watch. So the thing be say this life is not dey fair, because if we say this life will dey fair, we no go dey get we no go dey appreciate both the bad moments and the good moments. Sometimes what make can be say we human being dey depressed. Sometimes what make can be say we human being dey depressed. We say among everything we see they go on for this our life, so most especially this kind era of social media, whereby maybe you get friend for Facebook, the friend they post saying don't marry and you never marry, friend they post saying don't buy motor and you never buy motor, friend they post say maybe don't get better work and you never get. The more you they look at those pictures, the more you they look different things to make can be say maybe sometimes sef even person wey say you no even know sef they live their happy life the more you they see those things so the more you go dey depressed, the more you go dey like say kind of how come it can't be say among all my friends who be say I get around me, why be say only one no dey succeed? You dey feel me? So sometimes we know say some situation dey whereby maybe papa die, mama die, nobody fit sponsor you go school, nobody fit sponsor you go learn work. You just dey like maybe at the end of the day na boyfriend you can't go there under, na boyfriend who manage they give you food to eat safe. Sometimes most of all this matter safe even reach come Europe not be like only Africa. Sometimes they see some people whereby they follow their mates come Europe. They don't spend that many years for Europe. Their mates, they don't get document, they don't get documents. Nobody will say no go reason those kind of matter when we make them say they're depressed. But the hope when we say I want share, give us be say, we know say for this life, who don't even get seven say with the reasons that those people get in abundance, nobody will say no get their own for body. Nobody will say no get a challenge for body. Even that your so-called friend now we say they post for social media say don't marry, we say don't buy motor, we say don't get car, don't get even on earth, that your friends so see get your challenges for body. The most important thing we say they be say no matter the situation we see you find yourself see something positive for inside. If I talk now go bless maybe I know you get the carry talk you say it easy, you know the for my shoe, you don't know the you don't know the why I tell you the shoe, you don't know the why they think they pain because you don't understand what we said they pass through my dear. Me when we see the way they follow you they talk now self me see get my own fair share. You understand? Me doesn't be victim to some circumstances. Friend don't bastard me. You know, many things some basically not everything basically they talk. You feel me so? But among everything, I not fold my arms to take to say I be the victim. The more for this life you they reason yourself, you they think yourself to be the victim, the more you go be the victim. For any situation, for any situation, my dear, find those positive aspects from the situation. For example, say maybe a woman run leave you, a run go marry another person leave you, I not say you go dey sad, I not say you go dey bitter, but look around you like say if this woman fit run leave me so, that pains, that anger, that thing when say they give you sadness, use that, use that energy instead of you to sit down, they wait, they cause for that woman when we say run leave you, when we say no marry you so, use that. Invest in yourself because the most investment, the best investment when we say we might be free give. The best gift for ourselves, maybe the investment we will give ourselves. Because sometimes, now when you feel invest in yourself, your children will feel benefit from you. Now when you say you feel invest in yourself, even maybe you not go get picking self, the society will take the as the society you can invest in younger generation. You understand? So make you know they compare yourself with person who say don't get because everybody gets in your destination. Everybody gets in your direction where should they go. Me, my map, for example. Now maybe I dey go Ring Road now. My map to Ring Road they different from your map when we see they go Lagos. So not look and say because say I fast, like we walk reach Ring Road, me say because say you see they slow. Now time you go take even if you see na leg you will take waka step that Lagos be say you go reach and you go reach. The thing is say put all your effort, put all everything see you get into the situation when we see you find yourself. In fact, sometimes you will cry. You will cry. Sometimes if they will give you food safe, you no go want eat. Sometimes safe, if you dey look the social media safe, it can make you want to dey depressed the more. But the thing be say, find what be say you go do, when go make them say you dey busy all the days, like when we say you go dey busy. For example, another thing we say I want to talk again be say, not the always they ask yourself why me not get this, why me not get that? Because God get the reason we can be say take put it for this same situation we say you did so. According to Exodus 4:2, it say what is in your hand, like use what you say you get for your hand, take better your life. It dey for inside Bible. No expect and say manners go fall for heaven. Papa don't go, you don't go. Mama don't go, you don't go. But you will continue to they fold your hands, they sit down, they cry, say, mama, they be you there alive. No, because this life move on. This life, they go break, they go break. They go dark, they go dark. Not because you sit down for one place, you make come say tomorrow no go break. So my dear, now my own possible way to encourage you. If you get anything or any topic you want me to discuss, don't forget to leave them for the comment section below until I see you now for my next video. Bye bye, and make you not forget to subscribe or make you turn on that post notification. You know say I miss you, you know say I love you. Until I see you for my next video. Bye bye. See my cheek.